Yo, we just got here. My boy Bona. I don't know if you guys can see him. Look at him. Putting on his hiking shoes. We're out in the western Massachusetts right now. Take a look around. Are you ready, Bona?
Yeah. Yeah, ready.
Alright, my first hike of the summer, man.
Want beer?
Oh, yeah, I grabbed one. Lead the way, Bona. Lead the way.
You hear the phone. Got my phone killed off. Yo, imagine, like, I wonder how loud that when it fell.
Damn. Take a quick look at that big tree. That's the tree that he's talking about. Y'all can see it. Oh.
Yeah, I'm about falling through the water.
Will he make it? Will he make it? Alright, I guess it's my turn.
You good?
Yeah. No, I'm good.
I like this Yeah, imagine you just jump off.
Look how steep this is.
Jump like that way. Yeah, like this.
Alright, he's checking out the map.
Try not to get lost.
I'm over here sweating.
It's
High elevation.
hot out of this mother. Excuse my language.
It is tiring.
Pardon me.
Woo.
Yeah, this is real good. This is the good stuff. You trying to go down it? Huh? You trying to go down it? No, I think it's tricky. I kind of want to go in the water. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, dip my head in. Good. Good, man.
Alright, we gotta cross this thing right here. Here goes. Here goes nada. Woo. Check it out. Alright, let me do this again. We're getting close up to the mountain. Tough hike, man, tough hike. But it's amazing, I love it. You can see the view out here too. Hold on, let me show you guys. Can't really see it, but whoa! Lead the way, Bona. Alright, we're about to cross this log over here. Well, Bona's already crossing it already. He didn't wait for me. But
it's not that bad. I thought we were.
Almost tripped on a rock. So he said it's not that bad. Let's go take a look. Alright. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. Woo!
We're almost there. Maybe
Yes, I made it.
Yeah. You made it like I didn't make it last time, right?
The last one you did was that one looks pretty hard.
But like this is the water. And we can walk around. Yeah. We're nearby.
We're nearby? Nearby? Alright. Hold on. Well, we're close to the end. Boy said we're pretty much done with the trail. Is that true? Let me see.
So we kind of overdid it.
Oh, so where?
It kind of connects to another trail, but me thinking that. Yeah. So this connects to Mount Everett.
All right. So
which is
we finished the
Race
Brook. All right, Race Brook.
Yeah.
And I guess I don't know. He wants to do another trail. I'm kind of beat, but whatever. We got a lot of time on our hands.
I mean, we could, but that'll be up to you. I don't really care.
Well,
we could go back and grab a couple beers and call it a day. That'd be cool too.
I feel like he want to drink beer. So
no. But yeah, if we go on and be another maybe 4 miles, so.
Damn.
And we already did about 2.5, 3 miles, so that'd be 7 in all for the day, one way, and then we gotta come back. So we gotta decide. Me and my partner over here, my right here man.
All right, we're gonna decide. So we're gonna regroup. So we're gonna take a break. Be right back.
The loop. So we about halfway.
All right. We're gonna decide to finish it up.
Yeah, it's about 6.5 miles.
All right.
Let's do it. Let's get it done.
All right.
Let's get. You know what I mean? You good?
Yep.
And I'm dying.
Yeah. I'm dying too. We're trying to figure out where we're gonna go to next. What's your plan, Bona?
I don't know.
He say up there. He say up there. Pointing up there. All right, let's go. What is this thing? Porta potty?
I think so. Because it's a campsite. Yeah, so you have to take a piss.
Let me take a piss.
Right?
So which way we going, Bona?
We're going that way.
Okay, we're going that way. So that way is what?
What's a piss?
The Appalachian Trail?
Yep.
Oh, I almost hit the application trail. It was kind of scary. I don't know where I'm at.
She's not funny, yo. About half a mile.
And it's like a crazy obstacle. Oh. Damn. Whew. Yeah. All these rocks climbing up here. Damn. Whew. Man. Still a long way to go. Alright, let's go. Check it out, guys. Oh man. It's pretty rough over here, man. Tough. Here we go. Whoa! He made it to the stairs. Went all the way down there. Look at it, man.
Yeah, video doesn't do it justice. You gotta do it yourself to see how it is.
It looks pretty easy in video, but until you actually come out here,
Pretty tough.
yeah, it's tough, man. Now we're gonna take a quick break. Right, Bona?
Yeah, we gotta hydrate. Water. Water's important. It's too long.
Oh, most definitely.
Water boy. The earthy smell.
It does. There goes the thunder. Oh, look at that. All right, we just got back. Let me update you guys. I couldn't take any more videos because it ended up pouring rain.
Yeah, that rained on us like no tomorrow.
For real.
You know when your ears are wet and then she's like, just the faucet, she's keep on coming. Yeah, it's like that.
Man, we got super wet. It was just so slippery up there, so we couldn't make it all the way to the top. But I don't know, how many miles we did?
Oh, we did like maybe, I think 6.5 maybe. Cause we did 3 one way and 3 the other way. Yeah. So
yeah,
6.
It's a good workout.
Maybe,
it's a good workout.
I don't know. Maybe 4 or 5. I lied.
But it was a tough hike. You agree?
Yeah, it was challenging, man. Especially this guy. His first day out, so he did a pretty good job.
Yeah, I'm out of shape.
Normally, you know me, being a professional, you know, I'm pretty good. Nah, this was pretty hard. I'm not gonna lie. It's challenging.
All right, so we're about to head back into town. So check you guys out later.
Cheers.
Peace.
Ready?
Yeah, yeah. Oh,